Jump will be number 20 and number 22. Number 1 and number 10. Oh! No good. Rebounding number 20. Pass number 08. Alvin. Go for 2. 21. Outlet pass guy. Rex number 10. Tunay na number 08. Number 08 is good for 2.
Leleng is in the house.
Number 08. Good for 2.
34-31, 3-point lead by Royal Knights.
Pass number 10. Number 10. Good for 2.
The lead is down to 1, 34-33.
Number 08. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Wala ko number. 22.
Ang lalaki ng labasan.
Number 10.
Tatangkad nila.
Wala ko number. Sundot ni number 10. Number 10. Uhoy.
Oh!
Number 5.
Sayang! Highlight!
Sa alod. 5 minutes and 10 seconds to play. O sige. Number 1. Mandatory substitution. Balik hero na kayo.
Mandatory substitution sa period number 2.
Ano?
Out of bounds kanina, napunta sa labasan ng bola.
Number 99. Ano pre? Number 24, 15 seconds shot clock. Number 7. Pass to number 1 away number. 52 pass to number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Good for 2.
34-35, 1-point lead by Royal Knights.
Arti, ba't wala ka kanina? Di ba kita lipad ko sa kanya?
Oo nga.
Number 24. Pass to number 18. Number 18. One away number. Number 3. Pass to number 99. Number 99. One away number. Same ball. Sundot. Same ball. Nabali. Saba. Ibon number 52. Pass to number 3. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 5. Good for 2.
37-34, 3-point lead by Labasan.
Number 7 out na rin dalawa ng number 31. Number 31 pumihan doon ang number 18. Number 18 po pa is good for 2.
The lead is down to 1, 36-37. Lamang pa rin ang isang labasan.
Number 52. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 16. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 99 pumukol. One away number. Nagkahiya pa number 7. Pass to number 24. Sumama sa paa. Labas ang ball.
Daming turnovers.
Wala mo basahan. Basok mo yung pa, nakakalap si Coach. Number 54. Long 2. Short, nakuha ni number 5, si Master. Good for 2.
39-36. 3-point lead by Labasan.
Number 7, pass to number 24, 5 for 3. Bam!
So,
3 points.
deadlock at 39 ang score natin.
Number 3, fires for 3. No good, rebounding number 24. 3 on 2 play. Bounce pass para kay number, no good na one number 24. Fires for 3. Bam! 3.
Change paper tayo. 3-point lead by Royal Knights. Score is 42-39.
Sa long 2. Wala na kay number 7, number 7.
42-39.
Number 31.
42-39.
10 seconds to play, number 31. Pass to number 24. Subukan ulit. Wala na kay number 5, si Master. Pass to number 99. Number 99, Calvo. Pumukol. Pow!
Oh!
Taiwan. Alay na. Royal Knights.
Deadlock tayo. 42. Deadlock at 42. Facing the Giants yung Royal Knights sa larong ito. Ang lalaki ng Labasan. Considering Labasan is the champion in the last league.
Sino? Second. Sala. Yeah, back to the ball game na po. Wala daw po pala kay timeout. Ayun. Number 20. Pass number 18. Pass to number 3. 20. Number 21. Wala number 3. 20. Number 3. 1 minute and 35 seconds to play. Number 3. Pass number 52. Wala na kay number 99. Number 99. Wala na kay number 31. Number 31. Side series. Good for 2.
Change paper tayo. 44-42.
Kala ko pupukol niya.
2-point lead by Royal Knights.
Ayun na. Number 22. Blacka. Number 7. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Good for 2. Score 90.642 lamang ng apat na Royal Knights. Iba na number 3. Pass number 16. Pass na ba na pumungol? Tinuro yan, tinina pa, binaril pa.
The lead is down to 1. 46-45.
Number.
Isa na lang ang inaabol ng Labasan.
35 seconds to play. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 21, pass number 18, pass number 24. Number 24. Good for 2. Out of pass in number 99.
49-45.
Royal Knights ball, 21 seconds to play. 21 seconds to play.
49-45. 4-point lead by Royal Knights.
Ubos na yung bala. Number 31, 15 seconds to play. Number 31. Pass number 24. 10 seconds. Number 31, 5 seconds. Good for 2 by number 31.
Score natin. 51-45. 6-point lead. 6-point lead by Royal Knights.
And the first up is score 55 lamang ng Royal Knights. Captain ball daw po ng Royal Knights. Captain ball daw po ng Royal Knights. Yung shirt daw po. Yung short daw po. Kailangan daw po pusin.
Brother, you know?
Okay na? Okay na. Oh, ayan na. Four, ito yung motoy. Ay, guys. Ten. Stop ka. Sige po. Sige po. Ito po. Number 27. Pass to. Nagahiyaan. Number 08. 10 seconds siya na. Number 08. Good for two. Out that pass kay Cardo. Cardo. Oy! Oy! Wala lang kay number 10. Number 10.
Score 53-52, 1 point lead by Royal Knights.
Pass to number 0, pass to number 26, number 26, pass to number. Good Alvin, number 08, number 08. Alvin. Sabka. Table. Putbang is good for 2. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 08, number 08. Sige pa rin, wait lang. Number 08. 3 points!
Change paper tayo, 60-58.
Ng dalawang Royal Knights.
60-58 lamang ng dalawang Royal Knights.
Number 10. Pass to number 9. Back to number 10. Number 10. Pukul sa 10. No good. Nakuha na ba? Uy! Takbo kayo, takbo. Pag nasagasama kayo dyan. Number 08.
Artist.
Cassandra?
Sumubok sa malayo.
Live.
Oh!
3 points!
Lasarte. Score natin.
Haha, tinawanan.
63-58, 5-point lead by Royal Knights.
Ano ba yung
Number 1, 10 seconds. Basta na kayo maririnig. 5 seconds. Good for 2.
Sobrang focus ng Royal Knights sa laro na to. Imagine, they are playing with the champion, Labasan. And
Next game maganda.
in the 3 consecutive periods, sila yung laging lamang.
Versus
Tingnan natin sa 4th period.
Save.
Ganda ng pinakita ng Royal Knights dito. Sa 4th period, yung mga labasan. But the play of Royal Knights is so nice.